Vedant Institute of Management and Technology is an institute with a difference. जिसने ये साबित कर दिया है कि वो अपने स्टूडेंट्स का भविष्य संवारने और उन्हें सही राह दिखाने में एक इम्पोर्टेंट रोल अदा कर रहा है।
Vedant Institute of Management and Technology was established in year 2008 with a BTech program in 5 disciplines. This year we are going to start a diploma program in different 3 disciplines. We strive hard to impart a quality education to our students. We nurture the talents of the students with a blended mix of theoretical as well as practical exposure. The graduated students from Vedant Institute of Management and Technology have outperformed in the various field of corporate arena.
वेदांत सिर्फ पश्चिमी उत्तर प्रदेश ही नहीं, देश भर के उन गिने चुने संस्थानों में शामिल हो गया है जहां पर कम फीस पर भी क्वालिटी एजुकेशन मिल रही है। वेदांत के हजारों सफल स्टूडेंट्स इस बात के गवाह हैं। Vedant Institute of Management and Technology is not just an institute, but it's a journey towards excellence. हम यहाँ सिखाते हैं कि किस तरह शिक्षा और संस्कृति के सही मेल से जीवन के हर क्षेत्र में सफलता हासिल की जा सकती है। हम अपने स्टूडेंट्स को न सिर्फ एक बेहतर प्रोफेशनल बनाते हैं, बल्कि उन्हें ये भी सिखाते हैं कि कैसे एक बेहतर इंसान बना जाए।
जब मैंने इस कॉलेज के बारे में जाना, जब मैंने नेट पे सर्च किया तो मुझे बहुत वेल डिफाइंड लगा, बहुत सही लगा, लेकिन मैं इसे सही ढंग से देख नहीं पा रहा था। इसलिए मैंने यहाँ आकर इस कॉलेज को देखा और समझा कि ये कॉलेज कितनी अच्छी है और कितनी बेहतरीन है कॉलेज। फिर मैंने इसमें ज्वाइन लिया और आज देखिए मैं सेकेंड ईयर में हूँ और लगभग जितने भी स्टूडेंट हमारे सब साथ में आए थे सब वेल डिफाइंड है और सब बहुत अच्छे हैं।
Vedant Institute offers an excellent opportunity to make your dreams come true. Vedant is a trusted name since 2008. It is recognized by Mahamaya Technical University, Noida and approved by All India Council of Technical Education, New Delhi.
Vedant Institute offers graduates, postgraduates and polytechnic programs.
Affiliated to Gautam Buddha Technical University, GBTU, Lucknow. We offer bachelor degree courses like BTech in Information Technology, Electrical Engineering, Computer Science Engineering, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Mechanical Engineering and Civil Engineering. Vedant is an institute with a well-developed infrastructure and modern facilities like computer labs, which consists of more than 100 latest computers implemented with LAN with high-speed internet facility, a library, and sports with world-class facilities. The campus not only offers you a degree at the completion of your course, but also equips you with many other skills which helps you to lead a better life.
The students who enrolled with us are from urban as well as the rural areas. Now, there are the two major roles for us. The first, to fill the gap between the candidates. Second, the major one is to fill the gap between the company's requirement and the skills of the candidates.
We have the topmost faculties of the industry which is continuously in touch with the students to make them learn better and develop their skills.
The institute is committed to equity and promoting talent without any failure. I strongly believe Like me, you would also love to enjoy the proud privilege of becoming a part of this institute which making India proud.
Vedant also ensures 100% placement after the completion of course. हमारा प्लेसमेंट सेल हर साल देश भर की जानी मानी कंपनियों के CEOs और HR हेड से लगातार संपर्क में रहता है और उन्हें कैंपस प्लेसमेंट के लिए बुलाता है। हर साल बड़ी संख्या में कंपनियां वेदांत आती हैं और हमारे कैंपस में तराशे हुए नगीनों को चुनकर अपने यहाँ सेलेक्ट करती हैं। The placement cell assists visiting companies to find the best brains and simultaneously helps candidates to finding best employer.
As we know, technology is booming day by day, so we require candidate who needs to be technically sound with good communication skills. Vedant Institute fulfill our requirements. They have sound knowledge in respective areas, and most importantly, they are updated with new market trends.
Join Vedant for a better future, the place where dreams come true.
Visit us at www.vedantgroups.in and www.vedant.edu.in. Our email ID is vedantgroups@gmail.com and info@vedant.edu.in.
We have fully equipped labs such as civil labs, chemistry labs, and electrical labs to give our students a proper practical environment. वेदांत इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मैनेजमेंट में नए युग को देखते हुए स्मार्ट क्लासेस की भी सुविधाएं उपलब्ध हैं। Contact us at Head Office H14, First Floor, Main Market, Vijay Chowk, Lakshmi Nagar, Delhi 110092.
Our contact number is 011 6452 5988 and other number 4735 0163. Our helpline number is 9311172266 and other number is 9310303282. Our campus address: Vedant Institute of Management and Technology, Sayana Road, Garh, Mukteshwar, District Hapur, Ghaziabad, UP. Phone number 05731296105 and 9311172266.